Sustainable income and good nutrition allow communities to survive, develop, learn, play, participate, and contribute. But poverty and hunger can rob them of opportunities to grow and progress. India presents a unique set of opportunities and challenges in its fight against poverty and undernutrition. Despite being the world's sixth largest economy and second largest food producer, it is still a home to 86.6 million people living under extreme poverty and suffering from undernourishment. One of the states severely affected by these challenges is Odisha, where most small-scale producers and farmers feel destined for a life of poverty and hunger. But at Heifer, we believe our food producers have the key to unlock their potential, move out from a state of helplessness to a state of resilience and thrive. And under Hatching Hope initiative, women backyard poultry producers are exercising their agency to bring this transformational change. The Hatching Hope initiative, founded by Cargill and Heifer International, improves livelihoods of people, lifting up women, families, communities, and economies through the power of poultry farming. Hatching Hope initiative is currently working alongside 30,000 small-scale backyard poultry producers and reaching out to more than 6 lakh people in Odisha in India to strengthen their poultry business and improve their income and nutrition.
Most small-scale farmers depend upon additional livelihood sources to supplement their income from agriculture. Livestock and poultry help them increase their income with little investment. However, conventional methods of rearing as well as inadequate access to information and inputs limit their returns.
However, to help improve income through backyard poultry business, it is imperative to promote awareness and adoption of improved poultry production techniques and management practices. And at the same time, invest in developing rural entrepreneurs who can provide inputs and services even at the last mile. Small-scale producers usually raise birds following traditional rearing techniques, which results in limited growth and high mortality among birds. Due to these challenges, producers are rarely able to transform their poultry business into a sustainable income-generating venture. However, our farmers show that improving production techniques and integrating low-cost innovative solutions can bring real transformation.
2019 अक्टोबर मासरे कुकुड़ा घर तैयारी करथिले आगु बाहर कुकुड़ा छाड़ी दउथिबारु जंगल जीवजंतु सब खाई दउथिले आ रोगरे भी मरि जाउथिले कुकुड़ा घर हलाठु गोटे भी कुकुड़ा मरि नांती वर्षकु 20-22 हजार टंकार कुकुड़ा बिक्री करूछु खाई भी पारुछु घरे कुकुड़ा घर सफा करूछि कुकुड़ा गुड़ा को दाना दउछि पानी दउछि वैक्सीनेटर दीदी साहाय्य टीकाकरण मध्य करूछि जैविक सुरक्षा पालन करूछि कुकुड़ा पालन धान चाष परिवा चाष द्वारा कोविड समय रे मो परिवार को बहुत किछि असुविधा हेनी.
Community level entrepreneurs play a critical role in strengthening the local supply chains for necessary inputs and services. Frontline workers such as community vaccinators provide doorstep delivery of health services for birds and advisory support regarding preventive care against avian diseases, all in exchange for a nominal fee.
आम गाँव माँ मैंने कुकुड़ा चाष कर जड़े वैक्सीनेटर मु गाँव में जाकि माँ मान को बुझे कि मु वैक्सीन दिए एवं से वैक्सीन को कुकुड़ा संख्या जमी बेसी संख्यार बढ़िबो एवं मोर भी इनकम बढ़िबो से मु कुकुड़ा मन को सब 3 मास रे थरे वैक्सीन करे आम गाँव रे जाई मु समस्त को वैक्सीन करू आ मु जो वैक्सीन आणुची 25 किलोमीटर जाई वैक्सीन आनी कि 3टा गाँ को मु जाई वैक्सीन करू एवं से वैक्सीन करी मोर भी किसी रोजगार करि पारुची एवं मोर भी खर्च पिला मानक पाठ पढ़ा एवं परिवार चलणी मध्यम करूची.
Small scale feed producers prepare high quality poultry feed and make it accessible to local producers at highly affordable prices. Small scale hatcheries run by women entrepreneurs help in increasing poultry production cycles and thus the number of saleable birds available with producers.
ମୋ ନାମ କସ୍ତୁରୀ ମହାନ୍ତ ପ୍ରୋଜେକ୍ଟରେ ମିଶିବା ଫଳରେ ମୋତେ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଚାଷ ବିଷୟରେ ତାଲିମ ପ୍ରଦାନ କରାଯାଇଥିଲା। ମୋତେ ହାଚାରୀ ବିଷୟରେ ଜଣାପଡ଼ିଲା ଯେ ସେଥିରୁ ଅଧିକା ଲାଭ ମିଳିପାରିବ। ତେଣୁ ମୁଁ ଘରେ ନିର୍ଣ୍ଣୟ ନେଲି ଯେ ହାଚାରୀ ମେସିନ୍ ବସାଇବା ପାଇଁ। ତ ସେଥିରୁ ମୁଁ 572ଟା ଅଣ୍ଡା ହାଚାରୀରେ ବସାଇଥିଲି। ତ ମୁଁ 213ଟା ଚିଆଁ ସେଥିରୁ ପାଇଅଛି। ତ ମୁଁ ଚିନ୍ତା କରିଛି କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଚାଷ, ହାଚାରୀ, ପରିବା ଚାଷ, ଧାନ ଚାଷ କରିକି ମୁଁ ଜଣେ ଆତ୍ମନିର୍ଭରଶୀଳ ମହିଳା ଚାଷୀ ହୋଇପାରିବି।
As production and health improves, the income of the producers grow, which help families access better nutrition, health services, and ensure good education for their children.
ମୁଁ ଏଇ ମେସିନ୍ଟା ଆଣିକି ଭରସା ହେଲାନି। ଏଇ ମେସିନ୍ରୁ ଦାନା ତିଆରି କରୁଛି। ଆଉ ଏଇ ଦାନା ନେଇକି ଏଇ 1500 ଭାଇ ଭଉଣୀମାନେ ନେଇକି ଏ କୁକୁଡ଼ା ଦେଶୀ କୁକୁଡ଼ାକୁ ଦେଉଛନ୍ତି। ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ାମାନେ ଭଲ ବଢ଼ୁଛନ୍ତି, ଭଲ ବି ଓଜନ ହେଉଛନ୍ତି। ଆଉ ସେ କୁକୁଡ଼ାମାନେ ଭଲ ବେଶୀ ରେଟ୍ରେ ବିକୁଛନ୍ତି। ସେମାନେ ବି ଲାଭ ପାଉଛନ୍ତି। ମୁଁ ବି ମାସଟାରେ 4-5 ହଜାର ଲାଭ ପାଉଛି।
And hundreds of women producers and entrepreneurs like these are daily building the foundation of resilient and empowered communities with their knowledge, training, and grit. But this is just the beginning. A hope for a happier and healthier future for these families has begun to hatch in Odisha, and with your support, Heifer envisions to spread this hope to those who are yet to unlock their potential.